Another application based question I would like you guys to pause and think over. First is draw the diagram, write the statements. It would be like something like a given. So approach in this way, right? To this extent, you guys have to write. I hope you guys tried it. So let's begin. The same thing. First is the diagram. I have an object, another object, right? So this would be case 1, wherein the distance between them is say d. The mass over here is say m and m. So now what is the case? We are talking about a scenario wherein what is changing, that you guys have to have a look at. The mass of one of the object is doubled. So if I take this as x, what will this become? 2x, as simple as that. Okay, so this becomes 2x, right guys? So everything else remains the same, as simple as that. If you write this much, your half of the answer is done. So let's begin with the statement. Let's consider two objects of mass capital N and small m. Let the distance between them be d itself. Okay, then we'll tell let m be equal to x kg. Now the new mass of second object is given to be 2x kg. Okay, this is given. So this would be your first half. Next half is the calculation. I would like you guys to again pause and think over how do we calculate. Write the formula, substitute as f1, substitute as f2, take the ratio, and that's how you go about doing it. Let's begin by the working. From universal law of gravity, what is that we're looking at? We're looking at F is equal to G into capital M small m by d square. The next step would be F1, which is equal to G into M being M, capital M is X divided by d square itself. While our F2 would be G into M, this is 2x by d square. Right guys, agree? So what is that we're looking at? We're looking at taking the ratio of F2 by F1. So that would be G M 2x by d square. If not, we can reorganize this and write it as 2 into G M x by d square getting divided by G M x by d square. Clearly, there's no confusion. We can clearly cut this entire thing, put it in a bracket, cut this and cut this, 2:1. So F2 by F1 is 2 by 1. So F2 is equal to what guys? F2 is equal to 2F1. That is, what is that we're looking at? The force between the two objects increases twofold or doubles, increases by 2 times on this is enough. Anyways, the situation, the case is clear. When the object, one of the object has doubled its mass, what happens? This is what happens. So we answered the question. This is good enough, right guys? Makes sense? Obviously, if you increase the mass, the pull will increase, the force of attraction will increase. That makes sense. So this is your answer. Okay, so pause. I hope you're getting the pattern how to do such questions. Every other question is similar to this. I have few more variations. we can do, I'll show you guys that. But my request is two more questions or few more questions from here which are on a similar line. I want you guys to try it. Okay, so now pause and have a look at the answer.